In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly reset your Notepad settings so they're just like they were when you first installed Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is a really handy trick if you've been making changes to your Notepad settings that you don't really like, or if something's not working the way it should be. So without further ado, let me show you how it's done. Firstly, let's see if we can reset Notepad from Settings and then from Apps. Let's search for a Notepad to reset it. And we are not able to find a Notepad here in this list. So we need to follow another method to reset the Notepad. First method would be to open the command prompt and type the commands given in the description, or just paste it in the command prompt. Click on the search function and type CMD. Once you get results, right-click on the command prompt and click on Open as Administrator to open command prompt with admin rights. Now copy the command and paste it in the command prompt and hit Enter. Wait for the command to execute it, and once it's completed, reboot the computer. Second method is deleting Notepad registry keys from Regedit. Click on Search function and type CMD. Once you get results, right-click on the command prompt and click on Open as Administrator to open command prompt with admin rights. Now copy the first command given in the description under Method 2 and paste it in history from your computer. You can see it's deleted. Now copy the second command given in the description and paste into the command prompt. This command will display if the registry was deleted from your computer. It's giving error registry was not found. This means the registry was deleted. Finally, reboot the computer and check if Notepad is set to default settings. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit like button, hit subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for upcoming videos.